starts to work, then you need to get ready with that. Alright. It helps to plug it in, yeah.
DJ when you need it.
Oh yeah.
As I told you, this is a live sound check. I'm plugging into a head I never heard before. And it's not sounding the way I usually hear them sounding, so give me a minute. It's too loud, but it's working. Let me get this set. So Ron, you're the sound guy, right? So play a little bit of track 2. You're just gonna hear a tease here. Bear with me, please. Okay. How you been too? You're Kim's friend, huh? So, kind of get it sounding good to you. Okay? Track over here. So is that balance working for you out there, Ron? You got me in there, and I use a little more of the track over here. Not me though. Never put me in there. Okay, just a little more of the track. All right.
Get a little more bass.
No, I don't need a long one. He's gonna stick around. Okay, I'm kind of set now. All right, and things will change as it goes. So here's the performance part of the event here.